In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Canva on laptop. We'll walk through the entire process from opening your browser to having the Canva desktop app ready to use on your laptop. I'll explain each step clearly, so whether you're new to downloading apps or you've done this before, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, go ahead and open the web browser you usually use on your laptop. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar at the top, type in Canva Desktop and press Enter. You'll see a list of search results. Look for the official link that mentions the Canva Desktop app for Windows. It should clearly say something like Canva for Windows Desktop app. Click that official result to open the Canva download page. On this page, look for the button that says Download Canva for Windows. Click that button and your browser will start downloading the installer file. You might see the download progress at the bottom of your browser or in a download section, depending on which browser you're using. Give it a moment to finish. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you'll need to find the installer file on your laptop. It's usually saved in your Downloads folder by default. Open your File Explorer, navigate to Downloads, and look for a file with Canva in the name. When you see it, double-click the file to start the installation. An installation window should appear. Just follow the prompts on the screen. In some cases, your device might ask for confirmation to allow Canva to make changes to your computer. This is a standard security step for installing new software. Click Yes or Allow so the installer can continue. Now let the installation run. This can take a little while, so don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly. Avoid closing the window while it's installing. Once the installation is complete, the Canva desktop app will usually open automatically on your laptop. If it doesn't open right away, you can find it in your Start menu or on your desktop and open it from there. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Canva on your laptop, and you're ready to start creating your designs whenever you like, without needing to open your browser every time.